Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart LED LCD TV Repairing. In today's video, I will show you how to check power transistors, MOSFETs and SMD transistors with digital multimeter. So kindly, if you are new, kindly subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. Now come back to video. Put the multimeter in continuity mode like this. It is on continuity. Now all these transistor and SMD have 3 legs or 3 pins. Friends, the main idea to check these 3 pins are not short with one another. Then your transistor or MOSFET is good. If any one pin is short with the second one, then your transistor or MOSFET is bad. So we are checking one by one. I will show you. Friends, starting with this, I put red probe in the center and black on the side. As friends, you can see that there is no beep. Then put leg on this left side. It also shows no beep. Then put the black probe in the center and same check. There is no beep. So friends, this transistor is good. Friends, coming to next transistor, its number is D1555. It is used in horizontal deflection section of a CRT. Friends, same, put the red probe in the center and black on the side. Look at this, friend, it is giving beep. So it is short. Here it is not giving. Again put the black in the center. It is giving beep. So it is bad. So friend, this transistor cannot be used. It is unserviceable. Friends, coming to next, this transistor have a number of BU4507AX. It is also used in horizontal section of CRT TVs. Friends, put the red probe on the center and black on the right side. It is giving no beep. Then on the left side, it is also giving no beep. Put the black probe in the center and same on this and this, it is giving no beeps. So this transistor is also good. From the right side, this is K2645, friends. It is used in CRT power primary power supply site. It is a power transistor. So we put the red probe in the center and black on the right side. It is giving beep. Sorry. Yes, you can see it. Then on the left side, it is also giving beep. Friend, this transistor is short. Look at this. It is giving beeps on both sides. So this is short and bad. Friends, pick another one. This is D1710 transistor. Same procedure of checking. Red on the center, black on the side. No beep. On the left side, no beep. Put the black in the center and red on the sides, no beep. Friends, this is good. Now friends, I have a SMD. It is also used in power section of LED TV boards in primary section. Its number is, as you can see, sorry, it is very small, but it has a 8P65W number. I can read it. We will try to check it. Same procedure is, friends, for SMD transistors. Put the red on center. This is its center. And check. Look at this, friend. It is showing short. Both sides it is showing short. Then again black on this side. Friends, it is also short. Pick another one. Friends, this is J6810. It is used in horizontal output section of CRT TVs. Friends, look at this. It is showing nothing, so it is good. Change the probe. Also, it is giving no beep. so it is good. Check another one. This is 1803DFX. It is also used in horizontal section of TVs. Friends, look at this. It is giving no beep. Change the probe, also same, so it is good. Friends, as you can see that I have tell you how to check the transistors of 3-pin with digital multimeter and which are okay and which are not okay. The transistors which 1, 2 or 3 legs are short with one another, then this is a bad transistor or unserviceable. The transistor which shows no continuity between any of the 2 legs or pins is okay. So viewers, I hope that you will understand that how to check transistors and MOSFETs with digital multimeter. If you want any video or suggestion from me, I can help you. Put in comments. Friends, thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe it, share it and like my video. Goodbye.